Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today we are going to be making a chicken and rice bake. I've actually already shared this recipe with you, but I wanted to kind of remake it, reshoot the video. It was actually pretty impromptu. I was making it for dinner and I just decided to show you how I did it. Yeah, it's really the recipe's the same. I just wanted to redo the video, if you will. I hope you guys enjoy.